All right, I'm going to work on her face today and try to improve it. I try to make her look smile with these chipmunk cheeks, but I don't like the chipmunk cheeks. All right, be right back. I'm not feeling all that hot today. I don't know what's going on. I just not there. Well, that already improves it. All I'm doing is moving little small parts of clay around. Probably can't even see what the hell it is I'm doing. All right, I've just put the braid on. One braid, I've got to make the other one. I show how to do this in, I think, one of my instructional videos. I wish I had written down which one it was. But anyway, I had to work out the thickness of each braid that is braided so that this would be a certain size. You can make it really big and it looks ridiculous. And I'm going by the photograph I've got of the cowgirl with her braid. I'm trying to match it to the size of that one. All right, I got the second braid, and it takes a while to match their thickness and their braid thickness and all that stuff. And that's what it's taken a lot of time today. And then I had a phone call with a gallery, so I've pretty much blew the day with that stuff. But I'm gonna work for about another half hour or so, and then I've got to call it quits for today. Anyway, I'm gonna continue working on this. I've got the armature made for the brim of the hat, which she's going to wear on her head. I'm going to have to cut her head off right about there. But I want to get that face tuned in before I put the hat on. Now this is, light bulbs come in packages, and this is a light bulb package, and it actually makes a perfect armature for a brim of a hat. I'm just going to go ahead and, as if she wasn't going to have a hat on, and make her hair so that when I do put the hat on, it'll look like it should be. I'm making her hair just a little messy because I can imagine that if she's working, her hair would get messy. All right. My biggest problem with her face right now is her mouth and her nose. I got to work on that. I'll work on that tomorrow. And I'll continue working on the hair tomorrow. I just ran out of time right now. I'm a lot happier with it today than I was yesterday or last week. And I think it's going to work out just fine. I know a lot of, some of the cowgirls around here that work on ranches will wear their hair like this. So it's not rare for them to do that. Back when I was married and living in Sandy, Utah, years ago, back in the 80s, I had to get my kids off to school in the morning because my wife, my ex-wife, worked at a pharmaceutical place near our home. And so I took the chores of a housewife, and I would braid my daughter's hair every morning for school. She liked to have her hair braided, and so it gave me a lot of practice. I think that's helped me a lot in my sculpting. All right, everybody, have a great night. It's starting to come together. She's leaning forward a little bit. There we go. And I think this is going to work out. All right. Have a great night. I'll see you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.